All right, y'all, what's up? In this video, we're gonna talk about the tools that I recommend having if you're gonna be having a repair business. So we're gonna dive right into the tools right here. All right, so we're gonna start with hardware repairs. One of the first things you're gonna need to do hardware repairs is a Ifixit Tool kit. So we have right here the Ifixit Kit. It's a magnetic screwdriver. It comes with a lot of bits that you would use to do anything from eyeglasses repair to laptop repair to PlayStation repair to phone repair. Anything that's electronics that you could possibly have to repair, this Ifixit toolkit gives you the bits to do so. All right, another item that I like to use is a magnetic pad. What the magnetic pad is good for is being able to hold the screws. You can also get ones that allow you to write on them, and what you can use is a dry erase marker to write on the magnetic pad where these screws came out of. Now, you're gonna need some pry tools. The pry tools that I like to use are the pick. You get these from Ifixit, and I'll leave a link in the description of the video for all of the tools that we're talking about today. So you can get the Ifixit pick. You can also gonna need a set of tweezers, another pick that you can use to get into tight places and lift up clips and clamps that are on motherboards or in other spots on the laptop. And then I also use the pie cutter. The pie cutter comes in handy for getting in tight places, a lot of glued down devices, especially the iMacs. I use these pie cutters on the iMacs. Now, next to that, I like to use the 3M double-sided tape for putting repairs back together. You have a lot of new products coming out nowadays, and the only way that they can make them thin is to eliminate the screws and actually put double-sided tape to put the parts together. Now, Apple uses a lot of magnetic glass screens on the iMacs, and the way to pull those off are with suction cups. Also, when you're using screen repairs on phones, the suction cups come in handy. So these are a lot of the hardware tools that I use. Next to that, we have a multimeter tester. It's good for testing circuits on boards, testing circuits on parts, also testing chargers to figure out if we're getting voltage and power from these devices and mechanisms. Now, when we get to the software side, we have the Windows 10 flash drives, the Windows 11 flash drives. We also use our SATA, the USB cables for doing data backup jobs. We also will use that SATA, the USB cable, for cloning devices and cloning hard drives onto computers. I have a pair of gloves up here because in certain cases when you're working with glass or you're working with other people's laptops, you don't know the cleanliness of these laptops and these devices, so you want to protect your hands and protect your skin. Also, when you're using heat guns, which I have right here, you'll be able to heat up devices to be able to loosen up that double-sided tape. And last but not least, we're in the e-waste business, so the products don't come in looking pretty. They don't come in looking like Cinderella. They come in looking more like Snow White, right? So we had to go in and we had to brush them up. We take our razor blade, we get us some glass cleaner, we get us some Goo Gone, and we get us a nice fiber cloth, a clean fiber cloth, and we go ahead and we clean up these laptops and get them ready for resale. All right, so these are the tools that we would use in this e-waste business. Hope this video helps you out a lot. I'll leave a link in the descriptions below if you guys are looking to purchase or fill the voids in your repair kit. We're going to help you get the right tools.